Hello everybody and welcome to the introductory lecture of our lecture series Data Formats and Pre-Processing. In this lecture series you will learn everything you need to know to work with medical images in Python. At first we will talk about DICOM, which is the most used data format for medical images. We will discover together what DICOM is and how to work with DICOM files in Python. In particular, we use the two most prominent packages for this called PyDICOM and SimpleITK. Additionally, we will talk about another file format which is more used in a research setting called NIfTY. Again, you will learn everything you need to know about NIfTY and how to handle NIfTY files in Python with a library called NiBabel. Subsequently, we will talk about pre-processing, or in particular, how to pre-process medical images for machine learning algorithms. In contrast to the pre-processing techniques used for plain 2D images, the pre-processing pipelines for medical images are much harder. Especially resizing or resampling of 3D volumes such as an MRI or CT scan is a really hard task. Also, the data normalization methods vary amongst the different modalities. Typically, a CT scan is normalized in a different way than an MRI scan. All of those points mentioned in the previous slides are covered in single lectures and corresponding UPython notebooks. And now, enjoy the course and happy learning!